Basil. It's a wonderful herb. Known for its vibrant green leaves and aromatic scent, basil is a staple in many kitchens around the world. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook, this herb can elevate your dishes to new heights. But what makes basil so special? Let's dive deeper into the world of this incredible plant. It makes food taste better. Imagine a fresh tomato sauce simmering on the stove, the aroma of garlic and onions filling the air. Now, add a handful of freshly chopped basil. The transformation is magical. The flavors meld together, creating a symphony of taste that dances on your palate. Basil's unique flavor profile, with its hints of pepper, mint, and anise, can enhance a wide variety of dishes, from pasta and pizza to salads and soups. But it's more than just a tasty ingredient. Basil has a rich history that dates back thousands of years. It's been revered not just for its culinary uses but also for its medicinal properties. Ancient civilizations, from the Greeks to the Egyptians, recognized the value of this herb and incorporated it into their daily lives. This herb has a long history. In ancient times, basil was often associated with royalty and nobility. The Greeks called it basilikon phuton, which means kingly herb. It was believed to have protective and healing properties, and it was often used in religious rituals and ceremonies. The Egyptians, on the other hand, used basil in their embalming processes, believing it had the power to ensure safe passage to the afterlife. People have used it for centuries. From ancient times to the modern era, basil has remained a beloved herb. Its journey across continents and cultures is a testament to its versatility and enduring appeal. Today, basil is grown and enjoyed all over the world, from the Mediterranean to Asia and beyond. It's been used in medicine and cooking. In traditional medicine, basil has been used to treat a variety of ailments, from digestive issues to respiratory problems. Its essential oils are believed to have anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and antioxidant properties. In the kitchen, basil's fresh, vibrant flavor can transform even the simplest of dishes into something extraordinary. Basil comes in many varieties. Each type of basil has its own unique characteristics and flavor profile. Some are sweet, while others have a more pungent or spicy taste. This diversity makes basil a versatile herb that can be used in a wide range of culinary applications. There's sweet basil, Thai basil, and lemon basil, just to name a few. Sweet basil is perhaps the most well-known variety, often used in Italian cuisine. Thai basil, with its slightly spicy and licorice-like flavor, is a staple in Southeast Asian dishes. Lemon basil, as the name suggests, has a citrusy aroma and is perfect for adding a zesty twist to your meals. Each one has a unique flavor. Whether you're using basil to add a burst of freshness to a salad, or to infuse a dish with its aromatic essence, there's a variety to suit every palate. Experimenting with different types of basil can open up a world of culinary possibilities. Basil is easy to grow. One of the best things about basil is that it's incredibly easy to cultivate. Whether you have a sprawling garden or just a small windowsill, you can grow your own basil and enjoy its fresh, vibrant leaves all year round. You can grow it in your backyard or even indoors. Basil thrives in both outdoor gardens and indoor pots. All it needs is a sunny spot and regular watering. With a little care and attention, you can have a steady supply of fresh basil at your fingertips. It just needs some sunshine and water. Basil loves the sun, so make sure it gets plenty of light. Water it regularly, but be careful not to overwater, as basil prefers well-drained soil. With the right conditions, your basil plant will thrive and reward you with its lush, aromatic leaves. This makes it easy to add fresh basil to your meals every day. Imagine stepping out into your garden or reaching over to your windowsill and picking fresh basil leaves to add to your dishes. The convenience and satisfaction of growing your own herbs are unmatched. Let's explore the many health benefits of this amazing herb. Beyond its culinary uses, basil is packed with nutrients and health benefits. It's rich in vitamins A, C, and K, as well as essential minerals like iron, calcium, and magnesium. Incorporating basil into your diet can boost your immune system, improve digestion, and even help reduce stress. So, the next time you enjoy a dish with basil, remember that you're not just treating your taste buds, but also nourishing your body. Basil is packed with good things for your body. This humble herb, often found in your kitchen or garden, is more than just a flavor enhancer. It's a nutritional powerhouse that can contribute significantly to your overall health. Whether you sprinkle it on your pasta, blend it into a pesto, or simply add it to your salad, basil brings a lot to the table. It contains vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These essential nutrients are crucial for maintaining various bodily functions and promoting overall well-being. The vitamins in basil help support your immune system, keep your skin healthy, and even improve your mood. Vitamins are like helpers for your body. They keep your body functioning properly. Basil has vitamin K, which is essential for many bodily processes. Vitamin K is important for healthy blood clotting. Without it, your body would struggle to stop bleeding when you get a cut or injury. This vitamin ensures that your blood clots properly, preventing excessive bleeding and promoting faster healing. It also helps keep your bones strong. Vitamin K works in tandem with calcium to build and maintain bone density, reducing the risk of fractures and osteoporosis as you age. Including basil in your diet can be a simple yet effective way to support your skeletal health. Basil also has a good amount of vitamin A. This vitamin is crucial for maintaining healthy vision, skin, and immune function. This vitamin is great for your eyes. It helps maintain the health of your retinas and improves your ability to see in low-light conditions. It helps you see clearly, especially at night. Vitamin A is essential for the production of rhodopsin, a pigment in your eyes that helps you see in dim light. So next time you enjoy basil in your meal, remember it's also helping you see the world more clearly. And don't forget the antioxidants. These powerful substances are found in abundance in basil and play a crucial role in protecting your body from oxidative stress. These powerful substances protect your cells from damage. Antioxidants neutralize free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can cause cellular damage and contribute to aging and diseases like cancer. They fight off harmful things called free radicals. By including basil in your diet, you're giving your body a natural defense against these harmful agents, helping to keep your cells healthy and your body functioning optimally. Want to boost your immune system? Basil can help. This herb has powerful properties that strengthen your body's defenses. It contains compounds that fight off infections. These compounds are like little warriors protecting your body. They help your body fight off bacteria and viruses. Basil is especially helpful during cold and flu season. Adding it to your diet can help you stay healthy. It can also help shorten the duration of illnesses. Inflammation is a natural process. It's how your body heals itself. But sometimes inflammation can become chronic. This can lead to health problems. The good news is that basil has anti-inflammatory properties. These properties help reduce inflammation in the body. Basil contains compounds like eugenol and cineol. These compounds have been found to reduce swelling and pain. Adding basil to your diet can help manage inflammatory conditions. Section 5. Basil for digestion, a friend to your gut. Having trouble with digestion? Basil can be your best friend. This herb has soothing properties that can calm an upset stomach. It can also help relieve gas and bloating. Basil does this by stimulating the production of digestive juices. These juices help break down food more efficiently. This can improve nutrient absorption and reduce digestive discomfort. So, next time you have digestive issues, reach for some fresh basil. Section 6. Basil, beyond the plate. Other ways to enjoy its benefits. Basil is great in food, but you can enjoy its benefits in other ways too. This versatile herb is not just for culinary delights, it has a plethora of uses that can enhance your daily life in surprising ways. From soothing teas to relaxing baths, basil can be your go-to herb for a variety of purposes. One of the simplest ways to enjoy basil is by making basil tea. Just steep fresh basil leaves in hot water for a few minutes. The heat helps to release the essential oils and flavors from the leaves, creating a fragrant and soothing beverage. This makes a refreshing and healthy drink that can be enjoyed at any time of the day. Basil tea is not only delicious but also packed with antioxidants and other beneficial compounds. It's a great way to relax and de-stress, especially after a long day. The calming properties of basil can help to ease tension and promote a sense of well-being. You can also add basil to your bath for a spa-like experience at home. Just put some fresh leaves in your bath water and let them steep as you soak. The warm water will help to release the natural oils and aromas from the basil, creating a soothing and aromatic bath. This can be very soothing for sore muscles and can help to relieve stress and tension. The natural anti-inflammatory properties of basil can also help to reduce muscle pain and discomfort. Additionally, basil essential oil has therapeutic properties that can be used in various ways. You can use it in aromatherapy by adding a few drops to an essential oil diffuser. The aromatic compounds in basil essential oil can help to promote relaxation, reduce anxiety, and improve mood. It's known to promote relaxation and improve mood, making it a great addition to your self-care routine. Whether you're meditating, practicing yoga, or simply unwinding after a busy day, basil essential oil can enhance your experience and help you to feel more centered and calm. Section 7. Growing your own basil, a rewarding experience. Growing your own basil is easy. You can grow it in pots or in the ground. Just make sure it gets enough sunlight. Water it regularly, and you'll have fresh basil in no time. It's so rewarding to pluck fresh basil leaves from your own garden, and it tastes even better knowing you grew it yourself. Plus, you'll always have fresh basil on hand for your favorite recipes. Section 8. Choosing and storing your basil. Tips for freshness. When choosing basil, look for bright green leaves. They should be free of blemishes. Fresh basil has a wonderful aroma. Avoid basil that looks wilted or discolored. To store basil, wrap it in a damp paper towel, then place it in a plastic bag. Store it in the refrigerator for up to a week. You can also freeze basil to preserve its flavor. Just blend the leaves with a little olive oil. Then, freeze the mixture in ice cube trays. Section 9. Embrace the power of basil. A daily dose of wellness. Basil is a true gift from nature. It's a culinary delight and a health powerhouse. From boosting immunity to aiding digestion, the benefits of basil are numerous. Incorporating basil into your daily routine is easy and delicious. Add it to your meals, enjoy it in teas, or experience its soothing properties in a relaxing bath. Embrace the power of basil and enjoy a healthier, more flavorful life.